In this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the language files that come with Silvio and how to activate a different language in your theme. If you take a look at the folder you purchased from ThemeForest, there is a language folder, and if you click on it, you'll see different documents here, one for German, one for English, and one for French. Now, if you want to create a language file on your own, just right-click on it and open it with the appropriate program. I'm using Mac, so I'm using the free PoEdit client. You can download that from the internet for free. There are also tons of options for Microsoft Windows, of course. Just make sure to search on Google for .po editor. And as you can see here, you will have the original language on the left. This will be here, and this is your translation. So you just put the translation over here and make sure to save this as the different language, whatever it might be, and that's it. And now I'll show you how to change the language itself on the theme. What you have to do is you have to download the wp-config PHP, which is in your WordPress folder. This is not a file in your theme folder, but in your WordPress folder, so you need an FTP client like CyberDuck for Mac or FileZilla, really you name it, whatever you want to use. Then open that with an editor. Again, I'm using Smoltron, which is for free on the Mac, and search for line 81. And over here, you have to tell WordPress what the language file is. So if I want to turn this theme into French, I just put in here FR. Should be German. I just do it like this. And yeah, that's it. As you can see here, this is the name of the PO files. So you just put that name down there. If you're done, just put it on your server again, overwrite the old w-config PHP, and that's it. You're done. If you have any more questions, just drop us a note, and we're happy to help. All right, thanks.